Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara Zila and I do videos on luxury items and fashion. So today I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I picked up a little something from Chanel. I wasn't expecting to pick up anything this season. However, this is something that I've been eyeing for a while, so I just wanted to share that quickly with you. So here is the bag and the ribbon, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you. And so, can you guess what I got? I picked up these gorgeous Chanel earrings. So some of you may already have seen these earrings from previous seasons from Instagram or YouTube, and I was inspired by the Fashionably Amy, and if you don't know her, I'll put the link to her video below, but she loved these earrings so much she has 3 pairs. So anyways, I wanted to try this. I was kind of wondering if they would be too much logo. However, they looked okay, and they weren't particularly heavy, because I did try these on quickly and they were not heavy. And so yeah, I'm looking forward to wearing these, and I'm just gonna quickly put these on so you can see what they look like. So this is what it looks like on this one side with the CHA and the other side with the NEL. And if I just pull away a bit, you can kind of see how they look like on me. So I understand that they have restocked these now, and possibly I believe they might be a classic item now since they brought them back from previous seasons. So if you're very interested in these earrings, I would suggest that you can go to your local Chanel store and see if they have them in stock. So thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again in future videos. Have a nice day. Bye now.